Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see Python tools for machine learning. There are several Python tools that we use for machine learning, but here we are going to count the most important Python tools for machine learning. First, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is most widely used Python library for ML for machine learning. We import its function or class by following commands that from sklearn.model underscore selection import train underscore test underscore split. By this command, we split training and testing data. There is another example from sklearn.tree import decision tree classifier. Second, Scipy. It provides variety of useful scientific computing tools including statistical distribution, optimization of functions, linear algebra, and a variety of specialized mathematical functions. With scikit-learn, it provides support for spare matrix, a way to store large tables that consist mostly of zeros. We import this by following command import Scipy as sp. Third, NumPy. It provides fundamental data structure used by scikit-learn, particularly multidimensional arrays. Typically, data that is input to scikit-learn will be in the form of NumPy array. We import by using command import NumPy as NP. 4. Pandas. It used for data manipulation and analysis. It provides key data structure like data frames. It also supports for reading and writing data in different formats. We can import by using following command, that is import pandas as pd. Fifth, matplotlib and other plotting libraries. These libraries are used for visualization purpose. We use matplotlib module by import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Seaborn visualization. To import Seaborn, we use command import Seaborn as sn.